Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy hummus without tahini. First, grab one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drain them, and give them a good rinse. Don't toss all the liquid. Save about 2 tablespoons for later. For the smoothest hummus, take a few extra minutes to gently rub the chickpeas and remove their skins. This simple step makes a big difference in the final texture. Now, let's build that delicious flavor. Add your peeled chickpeas to a food processor along with 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Next, squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lemon. This provides a wonderful tanginess. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil. These ingredients are the heart of our tahini-free hummus, creating a robust and satisfying base. It's time to blend everything together. Process all the ingredients in your food processor until they form a smooth, creamy paste. If the mixture seems too thick, slowly add the reserved chickpea liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to blend. Keep going until you reach your perfect hummus consistency, usually about 2 to 3 minutes of blending. Your delicious, tahini-free hummus is now ready. Spoon it into a serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle a little more olive oil over the top and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika. This homemade hummus is perfect for dipping with warm pita bread, crisp fresh vegetables, or your favorite crackers. Enjoy this simple, flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.